We've all got something we're good at. Yeah, even you. For some, languages come naturally. For others, delving deep into coding can be a thrill. Me, I can name all 151 original Pokemon. It's okay. No need to bow. However, we all have our weaknesses too. When it comes to your career and by extension, the rest of your life, you should probably do everything you can to overcome those weaknesses and improve your skill set. This collection offers a series of what are sometimes called soft skills to help you do just that. Soft skills are the key to leadership success and possibly your future happiness. Definitely something you should be looking at then. Inside, you'll find bite-sized courses about great skills, including creating a coaching culture, conflict management, time management, communication skills, emotional intelligence, effective decision-making, the power of storytelling, change management, collaborative problem-solving, personal productivity, unconscious bias. All of these courses have been designed to help you level up and take the next step on your career path. Come and take a look. Oh, okay. You've twisted my arm. Electro, Diglett, Nidoran, Mankey, Venusaur, Rattata, Fearow, Pidgey.